This is Peter Coffey back with you here at Salesforce Live Stage outside the Cloud Expo Hall. I'm joined now by Juan Carlos Soto, Senior Vice President and General Manager for several of the operations of the International Integration Experts at Informatica. This is a company I've known for a long time, since I was back at what was then PC Week and eWeek, one of the early pioneers in integration technology that creates the composite applications that so many solution builders want to build. Juan Carlos, welcome to Dreamforce.
Thanks, Peter. Delighted to be here. What a great show.
It's wonderful to have you here, particularly at the end of a year in which not one but two of the formerly independent major players in integration have been acquired, one by IBM, one by Dell. It seems to me that many of the most established IT leaders in the industry are realizing, oh my, integration skills and integration technology are indispensable elements of our portfolio going forward.
Absolutely, Peter. I mean, just look at this show. Cloud is definitely here to stay and going forward. And to really get the most out of your cloud applications is you really want to be able to integrate the data that was formerly in silos and be able to bring them together.
Yes.
And to be able to get the most out of cloud is you want to be able to link it to your on-premise applications. And so what we do with the Informatica Cloud Service is we make that very easy. Other companies are seeing the need to do that, and that's why you've seen these acquisitions in the market. But we're certainly early pioneers. We've been partnering with Salesforce for a long time, and the business is going great.
Now, what's ironic, of course, is that when I first began coming into contact with Informatica a decade ago, Informatica software was something you installed on a server in your data center to tie together maybe your Oracle database here and your DB2 over there and your SQL Server here. And now, of course, a lot of what you do is itself cloud services.
Absolutely, absolutely. There's no doubt that that same data fragmentation that led to our growth in the enterprise absolutely is happening with the cloud, and we see the cloud as an outstanding delivery model for integration. So in fact, we're really excited at this show. We're announcing the industry's first usage-based cloud integration service. So our true multi-tenant app today is now also available starting at $99 a month to integrate any legacy data source to your cloud.
That is a very interesting breakthrough in terms of the delivery availability. I actually did one live demo. Of course, we're famous here at Dreamforce for not storyboards, but real live demos.
That's right.
In which one of your people and Jeff Barr of Amazon.com and myself were on stage in Minnesota showing how relatively unstructured data of an Amazon SimpleDB database could be moved back and forth with the structured representation of Salesforce.com. I think that fluidity of the repurposing of data so that shared truth can really be delivered in the right form at the right time for the right decision is maybe one of the most important light bulbs that I'm happy to see go on over the head of a CIO. And he says, wait a minute, it's not all or nothing. I can treat the cloud as one of many assets.
That's exactly right. And in fact, we're even seeing people that are treating the cloud as cloud-to-cloud integration needs.
Exactly.
And you've got all the data governance challenges to go with that. We're really pleased by the fact that we're invited by Salesforce to be a partner in database.com. And we're showing in booth 500 here at the show the easiest way to take database.com and take your legacy data and put it on database.com with writing no code, setting up no hardware, automatic with just a few clicks of the mouse. Now you have full database.com data ready to go for your Cloud 2 applications.
That's really an astonishing vision. So what kinds of data are we talking about making immediately available through database.com?
It could be anything. It could be things that are normally tucked away in your back office systems that you want to have available on your iPad or other mobile device. So use database.com as your internet-facing, ready-to-go application, taking advantage of all of Salesforce's commitment to having that be a very robust, reliable, accessible database. But now we make that data easy to get onto database.com without having to become a database administrator.
You know, I think what this does is explode the notion that adopting the cloud means taking on some kind of massive boil the ocean, rip and replace exercise. You really can have a roadmap to the cloud that proceeds with the applications you choose, in the manner you choose, with the right data just being available where and as you need it.
That's exactly right. We're all about making sure you have the right trusted, timely data when you need it to make the best business decisions, whether that data is on-premise, on cloud, or both. It's exactly what we do with the Informatica Cloud.
And business decision enablement is what it's about.
Exactly.
I'm here with Juan Carlos Soto of Informatica Corporation, a global leader in integration technology and, of course, now integration services. They are here at the Cloud Expo, as indeed are all the royalty of the cloud computing industry, and, of course, a very exciting strategic relationship between Informatica and Salesforce.com with the new database.com offering. Juan Carlos, I hope you have a great Dreamforce.
Thank you very much, Peter. Great show.
I'm Peter Coffey, head of platform research with Salesforce.com, and we're on stage with Salesforce Live.